Cakez, do you think having TD in your game's name would increase visits? I have Cakez TD in my game's name. Well, let's see here. I can show you, but for me, I have TD in my name and search suggestions. I have 40%, but that's essentially the autocomplete. So probably people typing in Cakez. I don't think they type in... Well, we can test for this for me. I have a game on Steam that's called Cakez TD, which is my tower defense game. That is now being rebranded to Tangy Defense. But Cakez would give me Cakez TD. But if I do TD, my game won't show up. Obviously, right? So, I think having TD in the name, you would have to be close or better to these games here. You will show up in this list if you are beating one of these competitors most of the time. Because Bloons TD6 is in my library already and it's still showing up for me here. So maybe. But I have it in my name and... so for you, the reason why you're asking is because you have Crystal... Yeah, even on Crystal, it shows up here. So Crystal helps already. But it doesn't show up here. Well, we're talking about Crystal Guardians right now. This game right here, that's this the tower defense game we played earlier. And we had a little bit of a discussion with the developer. So, like, my honest opinion on this is, by the way, that your name is not the best. The name for the game. Cause... maybe something with defense. It isn't very... I mean, Guardians of the Galaxy is something that I guess you could make a connection with here. But Guardians of the Galaxy have nothing to do with tower defense games. So, I think the name is difficult. So, for example, take a look at Core Defense. I can remember this. It's very easy. I had this... I never had an issue remembering this name, but for me, this name was difficult to remember. Now, it might just be me, of course, right? But I feel like they're... How about Crystal Guardians 3? Huh, yeah, maybe. Crystal Defense. Crystal Defense doesn't make sense, because Crystal Guardians refers to the towers. I know why he chose that name.